Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So newbies, welcome. My channel is all about hairstyles. You can check out my channel for more videos like this. And so today's video is about thin hair hairstyles. As you can see, even I have very thin hair. So whatever hairstyles I do on my channel can be done by thin hair girls. But this video is totally dedicated to the category. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share if you like this video.
First hairstyle. Section your hair from both the corners of your eyebrows and then secure it with a claw clip. Twist your hair like this on your left hand side first by adding hair to the twist. Twist it all through to the back. As you reach your neck, just pin it with a bobby pin like this. Now we are going to repeat the same on the other side as well. As you are done doing so on both the sides, remove the bobby pin and then take the twist over all your hair like this and then remove the claw clip too. Comb your front section to smoothen it out and then take all your hair into a low ponytail like this along with the twist. Take any random section and wrap around the elastic and then secure it with the bobby pin. And yeah, you're done with the hairstyle. Coming to the second hairstyle, section your hair like you have done for the first hairstyle and then use a tic-tac clip to secure it. Take a section from the front on your right hand side like this. Smoothen it nicely using your hand. Place it below the tic-tac clips. Place your bobby pin on the hair like this and then secure it by taking it to the inwards. Take a section from another side, that is your left hand side, and then place it under the first section. Place your bobby pin and then secure it by taking it under the first section. We are gonna continue doing this for 2 to 3 times. So please focus on the video and try to understand it. Now just take any random section and wrap around the hair. The idea of doing so is to make the ponytail look voluminous. Tying your hair with an elastic make it look thinner and also can damage the hairstyle. You can happily tie your hair with an elastic if you don't know how to do it. If you want a voluminous ponytail, then you can wrap it loosely, secure the end with a bobby pin. And yes, done with the second hairstyle. Third hairstyle. Part your hair by placing your tail comb like this and draw a zigzag pattern and then stop there, divide it properly. You can use any other tool to do this like a pencil or an inkless pen. We are gonna repeat it at the back as well. And then divide it. Now on the right hand side, I'm gonna twist my hair by adding hair to the twist like this and then twist it again and then add hair to the twist like this and then add. I'm gonna do it all the way to the back. I thought to add this hairstyle in this video because girls who struggles to do French braid with thin hair can swap with this hairstyle because it doesn't tighten out the hair and also will not make it look more thinner. As you reach the neck, secure it with a bobby pin. Now repeat the same on the other side, that is, twist the hair and add hair from the sides to the twist. Twist and then add hair. I know there is a huge gap, but I'm gonna try to cover it with a bobby pin for now. But I'm gonna try hard and do this hairstyle again in my coming videos with no gap. So stay tuned. Remove the pin and hold the twist properly and then tie it with an elastic and wrap around the elastic like this and then secure it with a bobby pin. We are gonna hold the twist properly and then bobby pin them together. I'm gonna hold them together in the front and then pin them. I'm gonna do it on the back so they stay together. And yes, we are done with the hairstyle. Not only thin hair girls can do this, everyone can try these hairstyles. I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who has thin hair. I made sure that I have not done high ponytail because high ponytail pulls the hair, which leads to more hair fall. Avoid that. If you are having a thin hair and if you love doing high ponytail, then you can opt for this rubber band. This is a savior. This doesn't pull your hair so that you don't have any hair fall. And yeah, take care of yourself.